Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Dash on SatoWallet app. Okay, first you have to visit the SatoWallet website, satowallet.com, and download the app. There are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is a PC version. And they have the same interface, so you're just gonna have to use one of them. And I've already downloaded the PC version, so and I've already signed in. All you need is an email address to sign in and set your password, and that is the Google AUT is for security, to secure your funds. And well, here are my coins, list of the coins we have on the app, and this is my balance, the balance I have in pounds. So we are going to use Dash. You can either scroll down to Dash. You see Dash is right here, and Dash is 142. Okay, and or you can just go on the search bar and type Dash. You see Dash is here, and just click here. Well, if you have any balance, it will show up here in pounds, and here the dash balance, that's the crypto one. And here is if you want to send the Dash to your friend. Okay, you're gonna type the address of your friend, and here the amount you want to send. For example, let's say 5. You see 5 is equivalent to 713 pounds. If you want to decrease, like, you can just click here 4, 3, and if you want to add 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. And here you can add a comment like hey, say hey, what's up, and here's the amount of fee deducted. It's pretty low, I mean. Yeah, and here's the if you want to, after you finish filling in this information, then you just click the transfer button, and here the receive. If you want to receive crypto from someone, you have to scan this barcode, and this is your address. Then let's move to swap. Okay, swap from okay, let's say swap from Dash. Okay, you click here, and there are a list of coins you're gonna have to choose from. Okay, let's look for Dash. Okay, Dash is right here, and okay, and then let's pick another currency. Let's use okay, let's say deep onion. Okay, and okay, the amount you want to swap, let's say 50, let's say 5. Okay, you see 5 Dash is equivalent to 713 pounds, and onion is 2,000. 5 Dash is equivalent to 2,855 onions, and the same amount in pounds. So, and here's the amount of fee deducted. So okay, this is pretty much about swap. It's really simple, easy, and here's the exchange, the market, where you can trade your Bitcoin. Here the list of coins you can trade. Okay, let's look for Dash. DA. Okay, you see there is BTC to Dash. Okay, let's click on that, and okay, okay, here's the amount. This is the buy, and this is the sell. Here is the list of bid and the ask. You see, this is the list of trade from BTC to Dash on SatoWallet. And here you write the amount in Dash. Let's say 3 Dash. You see it's equivalent to $427. And BTC, let's say 1 BTC. 1 BTC is okay, this amount. And if you want to sell, you just type okay, this. Okay, if you want to sell, you just click here, and buy, you click here. Here are the list of orders. Okay, if you make an order and you want to change, I mean you don't really intend to go further, you can just click cancel. There will be a cancel function here on the order. And here is the list of trade history. Okay, here's the trading history. Okay, and let's move to currency. Okay, you see here is pounds. You just click here if you want to change your fiat currency. Here are the list of currencies. Okay, so let's pick let's select USD. Okay, say okay, and you're gonna have to wait for a few seconds for the currency to actually change. Okay, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins, and see, before here it was showing GBP, that's pounds, and now it's showing USD. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial.